Hello everyone, today we will see how to make Windows 11 full screen in VirtualBox. So if I go to my menu, click on View, and select Full Screen Mode, and click on this switch button. Here you can see, the black spaces around this Windows 11 operating system. And it's not in full screen. Today let us watch how to make it full screen. Click on Menu, Devices. Select Insert Guest Edition CD Image. You will receive a notification at the Notification Center to run or install your media. I have not received it here, since we had already installed it in our current system. Go to this PC. Click on CD drive. Click on VBox Windows Edition 64-bit. Click on Yes. Click Next. Select your destination folder and click Next. Click Install. Select Reboot Now, and click Finish. Go to View and switch full screen mode. Now the black spaces at the corners will be covered. Select your display resolution to the recommended display settings. To come out of full screen mode, move your cursor to the bottom of the page, and disable the full screen mode. Thank you for watching. We will come up with more such videos. Do subscribe and like the video.